G'day guys, Lucas here from Phillis Automotive in Christie's Beach. Just wanted to send you a quick walk around video of the beautiful little 2022 Kia Stonic that we've had just arrive with us. Now this one here has a full book of service history and is in fantastic condition front to back, left to right. It really is a gorgeous little car. The Stonic is a small or light SUV, so it's not enormous, but you get that little bit of additional space both inside in the cabin and then cargo space in the boot as well. Now, I'm not the tallest man on earth, but I do have an absolute abundance of space inside these cars, so I can vouch for that. They really are lovely. It comes with every book that the manufacturer released it with, including the service book as a record of all the service history as well. A very nice little car inside and out. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know what they are. I'm happy to answer any questions about the car, finance, insurance, and anything else that we can help you with. We are here Monday through Friday and Saturdays as well, 8:30 till 5 p.m. So if you do want to come through and check the car out, please give me a shout and let me know. Obviously, if that doesn't work for you, I'd love for you to be able to see the car and have a test drive. So perhaps I could maybe meet you somewhere and give you the opportunity to check the car out for yourself. As you can see there, just a tickle over 52,000 kilometers on the clock. Everything running nice and healthy. Got the entertainment unit on there. So naturally, if my car and my phone were connected, you'd then see that the Apple CarPlay and or Android Auto work very well through the entertainment unit. Your heating and cooling below, and then your gear stick in the center. A really simple but very comfortable place to be if you are on the road, whether it is just a short drive or long-term drives. The Stonic is quite an impressive little motor. So once again, any questions, don't hesitate to give me a shout. This one is on special and it won't hang around long. My phone number 0478 016 180, and it's Lucas here at Phillis Automotive in Christie's Beach. Thanks so much guys, we'll speak with you soon.